We've been a huge fan of cooking and cooking tech. It's a really great industry and it creates good meals because we eat 3 of them a day, so we might as well have good ones. Well, if you're aware of Sous Vide, it's an amazing way of cooking food and getting a lot of flavor with a slow cook format. But a lot of people, they don't perform Sous Vide or take up that task primarily because of the fact that it's very complicated. You have to have the right equipment, know what you're doing, and then follow precisely in regards to measurements. So if you're even a little bit off, it can mess things up. So that's why when we were at Pepcom, we checked out Typhur. Typhur is a company that you might know from their thermometers that have an amazingly fast response time, so you spend less time with the door open checking out the temperature of an item. They also now make this incredibly smart sous vide system that has a touchscreen on the top and it walks you through the recipes from start to finish. You tell it what type of meat you're putting in it, the amount of weight, the thickness of the meat, and it's able to basically tell the perfect way to cook that and walk you through all of the steps of the process. On top of that, it comes also with a air pump remover for the bag, so it like sucks all the air out, and reusable bags so that you can get the most out of the system without wasting plastics and producing more trash in your household. So it's a great tool for people that want to get into sous vide, who don't want to be confused by the technical aspects of the art. So if you're looking into getting into sous vide, I would definitely recommend you check out that product, and we'll see you guys in the next video.